Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this guide, I will show you how to buy Trump coin on Bitget in 2025. From setting up your account to completing the transaction, I will cover everything you need to know. So let's jump in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. The main thing guys that I would normally do is to check if the actual Trump token is available on any platform that I'm going to actually buy it from. So here I'm simply gonna write in my browser Bitget Trump or Officer Trump, which is the name of the token, and check if it is available on the platform. If you found something similar to that with a graph and a buy button right here, this is good because it is available on your platform. So let's start with this video normally. So first of all, when you get to any platform, you will have to buy crypto on it so you can start trading. So to do so, in my case, I'm gonna click right here, and in Bitget there is several ways to buy crypto. There is credit debit card, there is the P2P trading, there is the fiat OTC, quick buy, and card. So let's choose the credit and debit card and show you how to do so. And we're gonna explain it with all the other options. So here you simply choose what currency you have in your country, euros, USD, etc. So let's choose for example USD and choose the token that you wanna buy. Normally, if Trump was available, then that's good. But in some like platforms, you will not find the Trump token that you can instantly buy it. So always choose USDT as your way to go. In our case, for example, I'm gonna write that I want to buy 100 USD or spend 100 USD. This is the equivalent of 94.091 USDT, because 1 USDT equals like a little bit the 1.06 of USD, so it's a little bit more expensive than USD, but I mean they are the same. $1. So once you do it so and click on buy USDT, you will need to actually log into your account. To log into your account, simply click on register, or simply make it the fastest way by clicking on login, choose your Gmail account, and that's gonna be it. Close on continue, click on continue, and you will be good to go. So here let's go with this okay, 2 and 3, okay, and this is the captcha code. So this is my account. Let's sign up for a new one. I have signed up, and let's choose this as well. So I'm gonna choose this one, and that one. Click on OK, and we are good to go. So once we have created our account, we can now buy the cryptocurrency. Maybe later. I'm not gonna claim this. Maybe later. So buy crypto, let's go back here, and once you choose the amount as I said and basically put that you want to get the amount by USDT, you will have to verify your account. Once you verify this, you will have to put your Visa card and MasterCard or whatever method you want to buy with details, and simply as after that you're gonna receive the amount of money. There is next the P2P trading, which is basically as it seems or as it reads P2P, which is peer to peer or person to person, where you can literally like trade with other people on the platform. Now it's kind of buggy, so I'm gonna just try to close this page and go to other ways. So here there is fiat, and there is like many ways to actually buy from. Now once you bought the first thing, which is USDT, using your USD, you have to go to your assets. So let's go to our assets and check it. Now in the assets area you will have here, let me just okay, so here in the assets, go to spot, and you will find all the tokens that are available within the platform. Let's just search for official or Trump, as you can see, and here it is. So here in this case we cannot really buy it, but we can deposit or withdraw it. Now to deposit you have to have it somewhere else, and to withdraw it you have to have it in other platform. So this is not what we're gonna do. We are going to go actually with USDT, and here we are going to click on convert. So as you can see in this area, click on convert, and this will take you to another whole page that you're gonna search in it for Trump. So here also, oh, this is not available. Unfortunately, as it seems, it is not even available on this platform to do it with this method. I don't know exactly why, maybe because it is a very recent token, but unfortunately you cannot do it with this method. But good for us, there is the main method, which is the easiest and the normal method that everybody uses nowadays, which is basically trading. So we're gonna trade the USDT, so we're gonna go to spot, as you can see here, and as you can see, it is one of the first ones that's gonna be available. So Trump slash USDT. Once you clicked on it, the page will be open just like that, with the graph and with all the aspects of data that you might need in case you were a trader and you wanted to analyze the token if it is worth to buy or not. Now for our situation, we want to buy it, so we don't own it already. So simply here put the amount or the quantity of Trump token that you're gonna buy. So here I'm gonna choose, for example, quantity. Let's choose 100 Trumps, and this will be $6,528 and 8,000 or 0.8 USDT. So this is the amount of USDT that you have to own in order to actually buy the Trump token, or basically to buy 100 of the Trump token. You can do it to the vice versa. So you can, for example, buy 100 USDT worth of Trump, which is basically 1.53 Trump token. Once you have done that, you are simply gonna do is basically click on buy Trump button and you will receive your token within your account. And yeah, you can right after that start trading it, selling it, do whatever you want with it as long as you'd like. You can here click and do the same thing to sell it. So they are completely similar when it comes to selling and buying. It's just different buttons, one for buy and the other one for selling. The best thing about this also is you have here the graph with all the tools, so you can draw in it, draw lines, draw your things, draw your support and resistance, do all the things that you might need to actually analyze the graph and make the best decision when it comes to buying or selling, or the stop buy or but stop like loss. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.